Nanindigan ng nagbitiw na hepe ng Philippine National Police Alan Purisima na walang nalabag na tinatawag na chain of command sa misyon na dakpin si Marwan. Kasi ang PNP daw ay isang organisasyon na sibilyan. Hindi naman napiga ng mga kongresista si Purisima tungkol sa naging pag-uusap nila ni Pangulong Aquino tungkol sa Oplan Exodus. Nakatutok si Ruth Cabal.
And the President can clarify so many questions, Mr. Chair. Kaya I'm really filing a motion, Mr. Chair, that the President be respectfully summoned in the next hearing, Mr. Chair.
Pilit inungkat ng ilang kongresista ang naging papel ni Pangulong Aquino sa Oplan Exodus ng PNP Special Action Force para tugisin ang mga teroristang sina Marwan at Basit Usman sa Mama sa Maguindanao. Total inamin na rin naman daw ng Pangulo na alam niya ang operasyon. Muling paglalahad ni dating PNP SAF Chief Director Getulio Napeñas, 2 beses silang nag-briefing kasama ang Pangulo at ang suspendidong PNP Chief General Alan Purisima tungkol sa Oplan Exodus. Minungkahi ang pagpapatawag kay Pangulong Aquino.
Those who are in favor of the motion, kindly raise your hand. Favor of the motion. Those who are
to
against,
respectfully invite the President in the next hearing,
those
Mr.
who
Chair.
are against for the motion. Dito na tayo. Members lahat ito. This, okay. Motion is lost.
Kaya si Purisima ang inusisa tungkol sa napag-usapan nila ng Pangulo.
I still have to get clearance to respond to your question with regard to the communication with the President.
Are we invoking executive privilege with respect to this particular question?
Yes, Your Honor. It involves the communication between me and the President of the Republic. And it involves national security and it covers for so many years from 2011, Your Honor.
Knowing that he came and just had a meeting with the President, what was your frame of mind? Ang naisip mo ba at that particular time na may basbas yung gagawin mo? Tama ba?
Tama ka, Your Honor.
I will not blame him for believing Chief PNP Purisima. And Mr. Chairman, I will not agree that the statement of Chief PNP was just an advice.
Dinipensahan din muli ni Purisima ang mga aksyong ginawa niya kaugnay ng Oplan Exodus, lalo na nung mga panahong suspendido siya. Git niya hindi niya binaypas si DILG Secretary Mar Rojas at walang nilabag na chain of command. Wala naman daw kasing chain of command ng PNP dahil sibilyang organisasyon ito, di tulad ng AFP. Sa ilalim daw kasi ng PNP organization, ang Chief PNP ang pinakapinuno at hindi kasama ang DILG Secretary. Naniniwala rin daw si Purisima na kahit suspendido siya, pwede pa rin siyang magpayo.
This will explain the reason why the Force Commander informed the OIC-PNP on target. And is also the reason why there is no need to inform the DILG Secretary of the mission. Thus, contrary to prevailing accounts and perception, the PNP command line was not broken. Although my preventive suspension prevented me from performing the administrative functions of a Chief PNP, it did not prevent me from providing advice, inputs, and reminders to the Force Commander.
And since I was never given any instruction to defer or abort Oplan Exodus, even after the 2 mission update given to His Excellency, I took it to mean that the operation was a go, that this was an implied or tacit approval to proceed with the operations. I could not be accused of breaking this chain of command.
When you executed the combat plan, who was your direct superior?
That's Police Deputy Director General Espina, sir.
Ayun. You have violated the chain of command structure of the PNP. Is this being investigated?
Yes, sir.
Ruth Cabal, Nakatutok, 24 Oras.